enekithi umama mshema kana ho akana peace
akana feel
ubhizi ubheka iTV mzinduni yakhe igcwele umhlaba ho come to enengihlezi ngibabone odala abazama kimi yo enengiyabe ngibhengisa ngijwayela amasimba yo fucking shit like akabona oh this one she thinks I'm stupid ne you see
uzong kidnapper la
yeah it's a special person mainly kutlani that one
you know her right exactly at least
special person celiwe
smash
fast so ngicabanga akacabanga oh guys nani ke cela ukuzifihla
why
chayile hayibo guys after all computers crash relationships fall apart there's nothing
smash your pass myself
yo
Where he's done. He chowed already.
No.
Hey yo, what up good people? It's your boy Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode and I'm joined by
what up, it's your boy Phil. What I'm so high and I'm a part of fly in this YouTube video. So today I'm here with
hi guys, it's Amanda Bobby here. Hi guys,
Plug it.
it's hard on the day clock. It's for ladies, man.
Hi man.
Hi. Even
Plug it.
Plug it.
Ngiyamncoma.
Serious?
Yeah.
It's for that, like go to yeah, but I see girls. It's like it's girls like who
do it.
Mostly, yeah, like who are
Yeah.
mostly doing it. Yeah.
it's
Feminine.
yeah, it's more feminine.
Yeah. Why Valashun? Maria, also for gents.
Also what chance?
Clock it, like clock it. It's nice.
Clock I see.
Clock.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Clock it.
Clock, baba, clock.
Okay, yeah. First and foremost, I'm very excited to have you guys on the show. How are you guys feeling?
I feel good. Yeah, I feel good, guys. You're right, guys. I feel
Serious?
good. Yeah.
Okay, and how are you feeling?
I'm okay guys, a little nervous but then yeah, I'm okay.
It's the first time doing a podcast.
Eish, guys, mina phela angithanda mehlo.
Uthanda?
Ngiyadlala guys, just that sometimes I'm like camera shy. Now I'm a daughter sometimes, but it's not njalo.
You love boys. Sometimes
Abahethabani? Yo sis.
girl.
Abayethani labantu.
I don't feel like in this room. I feel like in our age, there's no one who'd be like, I've never been hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it.
Awukazi bakhetha wena.
Chumbakile.
Manje abafana izinja.
Phela
No offense to you guys.
Bakhetha kanjani wena? Usixoxele, bakhetha kanjani? What happened?
Guys.
You don't have to say a name. Just
Yeah,
like
but
give us the
explain.
story.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like guys, name I was dating this guy somewhere there.
Where?
South Hills. Or
Izinja lezo.
so guys, ne babe hostile lamajita yabona manje lezi zinto zokuthi bizugelwa like ba hostile like pool party and everything bizugelwa and everything hayi sharp girl. Then when I was like no obviously angeke ngize like bengidlala naye like bengifuna surprise atle vele ukuthi ngifuna
Your man?
Yo.
Okay.
Ngomtholenza.
Yo.
Kuziya lapho.
Yo.
no guys so ngathi
Hayibo
ngifika
nyama. Okay, never mind.
Let it cook.
so Pamela ngathi ngifika ne like obviously vele ngafika nama last minute sengifika nabangani bami nami ya ngiyafika naba abangani bakhe bajabule yo babi watatata yabo like ngathi yonke into right vele hey guys only to find out okay kwenzeka izinto kwaba right and everything like obviously sikwi pool party you understand and ngoba sikwi pool party kanje khona la lo muntu sekakhumule ijezi ngiyambuza umjitsi ukhumulile ijezi ngiyambuza uthi awuliphi ijezi lakhe yabo
umjitsi wakho lokhumula ijezi
no yeah like bekalikhumulile and like yeah like
so topless
topless ngijoli nabo topless nika abantu abahamba ngimbambo
yeah okay
usele neskipa ngaphansi yabo ihoodie yakhe uyikhiphile because bekafake ihoodie sengiyambuza ukuthi awu iphi ihoodie yakho nami singagodola yabo because bengifuna that ngiyibuzile he's like I khona umunye ugelo ibolekile intwana yami yabona lana ibolekile intwana yami yalana I'm like oh intwana yakho athena yangathi mina okay sharp lo gelo umhlophe ne he's like yena yeah ngithi mina because ngilibonile ijezi mase sekathi ligqoke umunye umuntu ene ngilibonile vele yabo say okay sharp I fast forward sekumele manje ikhanje yabo kusala abantu abasalayo yabo ene siba few kanjalo hi man so like lo mjitha lo umile nami but kusho ukuthi labo ugelo wakhe lo munye ne ume like that side ne ene mina bengazi ukuthi unogelo like mina ngitshela ukuthi vele ngugelo wakhe because uyangiposta siyapostana like yonke into right yabo only to find out ukuthi like ungifake emjoleni wakhe like yabona umjitha mayizojola nawe because yena ne-maid yakhe baxabene
ukwenza rebound
yeah so like manje like obviously sekuba into ukuthi sekuyolalwa and everything yabo I'm like let's go yabo athi umjitha hayi vele asilali watatata sharp yabo vele nami ngiba ne-mentality asilali because siyaphuza yabo kuyaqhubeka ne-vibe sesisele sibancane yabo mina ngiphathwa ubuthongo yabo but kuba nento yokuthi no man ngiyalifuna manje ijezi yabo sengidayi sengifuna ijezi
so dinga ijezi wena
yeah sengiyalifuna manje sengiyagodola kamanje sengiyalifuna ijezi I'm like no bra ambolanda musintwana yakho I don't think uzominda if upha intombi yakho ijezi into engayisha yabo he was like no angeke ngikhona ukuyenza leyo nto intwana yami yakudala lo muntu ngiyamhlonipha watatata yabo but me being here I feel like ngifast vele yabo ngifast I'm like so wena nale ntombazane niyajola Lulu
umbuza straight on the spot
yeah I was like so wena nalomfana niyajola
nomfana
ish wena nale ntombazane niyajola then he's like uqala wathula for like 3 seconds nyana like ngathi ubesacabanga then wathi yeah
Bengakuthathi serious
then wathi yeah
it didn't mind losing you
yo guys imagine like
ufile kanjani after like he told you that like right on the spot
I was like oh wow uyangijwayela
the way she's saying it, like it's so calm
I was
yeah,
like
she's so calm
uyangijwayela she but yazini okay sharp ngahamba yabo mangihamba bekakhumulile amateki right bekakhumulile amateki no how bekakhumulile amateki ngagqoka ne
gqoka amateki wakhe
after ngifind out ile and everything then ngayokhala toilet and everything yovele ngabuya like ngatshela abangani then ngatshela abangani
leso sikhathi
kusebenzisa ngatshela abangani ukuthi bahamba abangani bahamba ngabatshela ukuthi abangishiye ngasala lapha engakho angazi bengicabangani ukuthi bangishiye yazi but yeah bangishiya ngasala angazi bengitshela ukuthi ngizoba midnight staring isana ngagoa guys angazi ngabuyela ngake toilet ngiyokhala that day
serious
yeah
like wait like okay let's start here like did you love the guy like from the get go like were you like genuine with the guy like
I was genuine
serious
like also naye ne bekabonisa ukuthi u genuine so like like bekunyu ukuthi ngiyafind out and everything. So like benga-expectanga vele.
How long you guys were dating at the time?
Besina 4 months. And benginga-find out-anga. Nix, nga-find out ngayo leyo day, behostile. Then ngakhala ngagqoka amateka akhe, then
ngawagqoka amateka akhe.
Like bengifuna ukuhamba nawo. Oh, yeah, bengifuna ukuhamba nawo. Like bengifuna ukuhamba nawo, bengifuna ukumthuka, like yo, bengifuna nokumshaya ngigqoka amateka akhe. But because
why?
Uzokhala umekeleni.
Ungamshaya umfana wena? Guys, nabafana ngiyabasaba. Like even if umuntu emcondo kangakanani ngiyamsaba cause umfana abafana banamandla. Umuntu umthole engaka. Hey, but hey. So that's why bengimsaba.
Wabona pla amandla abafana banamandla.
Ama video. Yeah.
Ama video enzeni? Ama video mapha ama video.
Like no, like
abafana banamandla shame.
Imagine phela Tom, imagine ngikushaya uzogcina ungishaya. Especially because bangangithatha serious. So eventually maybe bayazongishaya because akangithatha exactly.
Yeah.
So like you were not dating anyone at the time, you were dating only him.
Only him.
Against the side chick.
And ebengazi.
Ay.
So after lapho kwaba izinto zokuthi ekseni bekungabo 6. Hey, sengikhalile and everything ne, sengibonile ukuthi yani bajola labantu. And like ugelwa khona ne, the way are down to earth ngakhona. That's why like hey nami ngavele ngabona ukuthi yazi ngizobe ngine drama shame naye angazi if bekazi. But like uyabona ukuthi uzinakeli indaba zakhe yimo find out hayo. Yena ule akazi mix umntana abantu. So akeke ngihambe ngiyomlanda manje. Wena hayi. Ngavela was like okay, nga request ekseni sengikhalile and everything. Hey, ngabakhatha off nabangani bakhe abebangenzile lima. Ngabakhatha because abangani bakhe why yazi badlala i5 laba. Yo
bebangenzile.
Bathi
yathanda mfethu.
Samajita 5.
Kodwa nani nedlalelana i5 mod.
As long as like still imali. Like if the guy apejana.
Yeah.
But if I useless.
Mina shame honestly
if I useless I find out.
Mina exactly vele useless mina find.
Then aphume kungenomunye nemali.
Because already usokolisa umngani wethu but
yo find out ngiyokushona stuff.
Into ebalekile like in a relationship between money and love.
Love.
Mara.
Now you guys
love that has money.
Yeah.
Not love.
Not love broke,
yes.
Guys.
Love
like,
broke.
Like
guys. iPhone.
Guys, I broke guys.
Mara bakhona
iyakhona ukuthi ngabi ne iPhone but right.
I'm just
like yazi mina yipe broke ne.
Yipe broke.
I'm inside. Broke ile na yokuthi okay ne. Like you understand awunamali and everything. But okay, vele ukuza kuwe lese uhlala kude. Ngiyaziletha. Okay, maybe kumele ungijikise ukudla. Maybe ngalo day cause imali yokudla siyakuthenga ukudla and everything. But ama-dates.
Besides ama-dates like ukuzihambisa uphinde uzibuyise.
Yeah, yonke into. Imagine manje ngiyahamba like mangifika lese uhlala nakude kumele ngirequest. Because nginento yokuthi ngiyobona umuntu maybe yabo sekumele ngirequest plus angeke kuhambe ekseni uyazi ukuthi maybe uyolala lapha because umuntu wakho right. So okay, kumele ubhadale ibholt ukufika ukudla ama drinks nokubuya more after lapho ukwenze konke lokho miqedile akunama dates nix nje wena kumele nje njalo mina nyaza clof like
I mean, guys, I feel like in a relationship you guys like it's where you get it's like it's your comfort space like guma relationship. That's how I feel. Ask me why. The reason I'm saying that it's because of I feel like estina majenza ne mina like I can cover like everything in a relationship. Like everything like depends on me, and it's like it's mandatory for me. Like
Yeah.
like to cover certain things. Like for transportation, your transport on its own, I have to cover it. Like it's compulsory. I have to cover it, and food while we are together during that period. You see, and also even like yeah.
You? Experience.
We are you happy fast.
Uvuma kanjani? Uzuvuma faster.
No, I feel like
ngiyathanda maka if akukho
Kumele nzi plan.
for pink
Ngikho esikhuluma ngakho ukuthi kumele kube khona something.
you guys like are so comfortable with my relationship, guys. Like
We
let's be
try.
honest. Like
Ne.
we are
we are the one like
understanding.
like even if like
Exactly.
even if like there's no money good relationship, I should be the one like making my means to get the money into our relationship. I should be your ezumchita. You see, and like you guys don't understand. Like you put that's why you find gents. They are gents who go and do a heist and do all these things to satisfy their ladies.
The ladies.
Yeah,
Yes.
you see. So which means we've got guys who go and do crime just because of influencing
Amantombazane.
ngithanda abafana aba dangerous yazi.
Serious.
Hey man.
Ufuna ingozi.
Nami ngiyayifana
Like in what sense? Like in what sense?
I've been in a relationship where the guy was dangerous.
Yeah.
Dangerous.
Oh,
I'm sure.
bekabulala abantu ne
Bekenzani?
mara ish
Gangster nyana.
yabona ungangisukela ne ngafika esikwatini athathele nonke amafoni ayi1 u15
Yo.
hallo ya nas yo leya ka dangerous and
Bekane mala ne.
yeah I had money shame
But where was he getting the money?
you yeah
No, it's my phone.
You don't have to close his name. Just say you maybe he was doing this and that.
he was just doing illegal things. That's what I can say. Yeah, they are not legal, man. Ish.
But now, do you feel safe? Like if a guy now does legal things, then you are with him, because now you'll be implicated in the way.
Yeah. Danger. Okay, well then it's the danger. Like maybe that Joker no Harley Quinn. Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
And there was
I don't think
relationship ayithanda.
Knockout, gangster love.
Yeah, gangster
Gangster
love.
Gangster love.
Yes,
Gangster
gangster
love.
love. Hey,
Fazubani.
masasuthu abasisihlanya shame wokugcina.
Me too.
No, like me and the guy, we're both crazy shame. We're not together. Times 2. Times 10 crazy. So
And you combo
Mara no
vele.
have changed now shame. I feel like it was very dangerous because what if bangibulele and stuff, yabo? And
So
stuff while
nothing-
trying to kill him. Yabo and stuff.
I can tell relationship and that turned you off like in a way. Remember, he was doing illegal things.
Wangikhombumise. Your face go drop.
Uyenzeni bekayenzeni.
No, it wasn't even for me. Like if I say I was alert, I was alarmed. Like yo, Lorna, one day is one day. Because it was a thing of like ukuthi besihleli ne, and then from nobek melankhap, and then like it was wama 6ish nyana like sokuzoba mnyama and stuff.
Yeah.
Yo, akhipha umeso ngaka phezulu go drop ngisho ukuthi you. Lorna one day is one day, and lo muntu lo thanda ukwenza ama threats. Uthi wena kubamba one day. Wona ukuthi
Wesuyigintsa.
shentanganyana, shenta.
Wesenobu.
Meka kanjani? Like how did you leave the guy? Because now remember he's dangerous.
Exactly.
Wasn't
Wasn't he toxic? Wasn't he like toxic? Wasn't your guys' life like
no
toxic?
matter like it was nice bengichaza like kuba toxic like bengichaza because it was a thing like bengangilulela yo leya bekahlanye uzwa yo okay inkinga niyamazi nomuntu engizokhuluma ngaye ne
Ubani?
Asitshela. Yo, hayi.
Hayi nakasheshe masone kwazi.
mangisukela maceda athi wena ngizokubamba I'm athi wena ngizokubamba leya nje beka dangerous
Yo.
kinsalami
Angel, what drove you like to dangerous guys actually? Like what is it that you're finding like
Attractive.
yeah.
protection
Ufuna safe one.
Oh.
yeah
But
yeah.
Phil can protect you.
Ndabazongishaya.
Yabona ukuthi mawamba nani manje inkunzi lonke.
Impilo yami ngiyayithanda, ngikunikeza into efunayo.
Thatha leyakhe phansi kwesikhathi
Athi Grootman isiphethe nayi yonke into Grootman. Nayi. Nayi Grootman. Baby, khipha la mali leya uyifake ecathuleni. Ilo type of feel. Yo, hayi.
hey mina ngithanda impilo yami ngidlala kanjani
So vele like then.
Oh, so vele.
ngamnikeza lento
Ngoba
ayifunayo
ngasikho
ayi ngibaleke ne mara ngamnikeza lento ayifunayo
okay ungangikhipha ukuthi like ngiphethe something
like maybe yeah like maybe ayifuna ne maybe ifuna mina ngifihle esicathulweni
bathathe yakho hey lo
Thatha
yakhe nishiya kanjani une-iPhone
ungavuma ukuthi beyithathe
yakho
like let's say like vele mina ifone yami bengiyivele ngibeke esicathulweni lese ngikutshelile ukuthi yeah, like maybe sisekhaslami yabo sisekhaslami ngiyakutshela ukuthi aphe bakho safe lana yabo mina amfoni ngizoyifaka la then wena cause umjitha uphela ekhaya mina ngizoyifaka la yabo cause hamba nomjitha ngeke basibambe inkunzi unaleyo mentality then bafike ungabatshela ukuthi yami ifoni ise
lapha ngeke wena ungabatshela
okay mabangangishaya ke
Bro, obvious.
you would
another
No, I
scenario.
wouldn't.
oh
bengamshaya ke uzwenzani
Another
Become a joke
scenario.
to her.
No,
And she-
besides
and
love.
she might even
bengamshaya
yeah bangangishaya like ngishaye like umuntu odangerous
Yo,
bengithi baby
guys.
sibani manje ungishayile
Wenzani?
ngahamba uyongilela urethi
Ah,
so
guys.
Ngena.
sidlala ngempilo
No.
awuzosho
Oh,
apha
yeah.
ngizodila naye ungawazi
okay
Wena
let's say
bakashayela.
bekangishayela
Wena bakashayela.
okay let's say bekangishayela and then I was like no I don't want I have a
Eh,
man
eh,
bese athi
I've
utsekwe nale
I've
ndoda yakho
experienced those shame and
ufike kuwe ngithi baby ungishayile cause ngisengijola nawe uzothini uzothi so
nami ngibiza labo engibathembile
I can call my goons.
Hayi,
I
nami
can
ngibiza
call
labo
my
engizithembile
names like that.
because ngiyazi ngiyiwana
Not in a
ngeke
case yokuthi mhlambe bowujola naye sekayahlula so ufuna mina ngibe involved because of ufuna ukumkhathela
Yeah.
yakho. Now I should be caught
but
like
then
in
you
the
passed
crossfire.
uyangishaya
Nah,
okay
but
you
now
passed
like I wouldn't like put
mina la ngazingena
I wouldn't
No.
put myself in a position whereby
Uyangishaya
now
ngoba sengikubona nawe.
my life is threatened because of her
uhlangane
doings.
naye
You
kanjani
see?
yeah
Her doings.
Okay.
No.
Wena ungeni ndawo la.
Ungeni ndawo.
Umbuzo
Unless
uzoba
if
ukuthi uhlangane naye
like
kanjani.
maybe it started ngendlela yokuthi okay she was approached and then she told the guy no I don't want you and then the guy started fighting and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Then I can call my goons and then they're gonna pull up on that nigga.
esingahambi su-2
asithu ish
Why?
uyambona ufile
kuya ngokuthi umuntu
abanye bashaya
unjani
so-2 maka ngiyazi ukuthi no here's my bag
uzamile
you know like
Kodwa
Yeah,
wena Thembi
exactly,
no
exactly.
uzoshiya wena athi
hayi ngeke useless wena
Useless wena,
useless bakushaya
naye.
guys
no no I wouldn't
sewungilwele
Sewungilwele.
angeke shame.
sebangishayile
bashaya so-2 like it's like
At least,
so
guys,
duduzana,
so
sohlalana
like,
kanjani
like,
siyabhekana
like,
uyobheka bakushayile mara baby
listen
babe,
listen
usiyahleka,
you know how
man,
girls
this
are.
is siyahleka.
She can be like when we are together she can be
Yeah.
like yo askisi baby and what and what so not but bona as friends
uzothi yona bamshayile useless useless and bengimthembile yazi
and bengimthembile yeah
Ah, guys
guys no
it's not like that
it's not that deep mara like as long as you try
exactly
so when I like what's your type when
what's my type
and futhi ngicela utshengise this guy phela and do you know okay before we get to types ane like I just wanna like cause I feel like ezinye izinto discover after so after you had left the guy enze lento ayenzile and blah 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 and what so not like do you feel like he lost like he lost like a diamond or whatever precious thing
With the
that you
ex.
consider yourself yes ex
or exactly
yeah
Honey.
or you lost to him because of maybe he's doing well or the things that he used to do for you or how he
no
used
he's
to treat
currently
you.
on my inbox
oh shit
yo
so yeah it was his loss you understand yabanza abantu banjalo shem mase sebebona
I'm
ukuthi
trying to
ngathi-
360 cho makubone kahle today
angibone ne
Yeah, ne?
Hayi.
askis put
askis put askis
askis
Ubheke le.
bheka lento oh you can turn around
yachomi
wow
like that
wow
like
Wow.
that
this is the wow
so well
this is the big
Nkosi
wow
yami.
he lost
It's a nice-
shame. He lost the
Exactly.
diamond
Yeah.
while looking for what
Lana.
stones
Nice.
he lost the diamond
He did,
Shuthi
Shem.
he lost the
Diamond.
diamond
Into emnandi ukuthi he's currently on my inbox busy blah 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 blah.
did he
Khuluma
chop
uyaziphendula.
though did he chop before he left
Yeah.
Aww.
That's
Askies.
that's a painful thing.
so winile phela
He didn't.
I
Maybe
didn't
he
because
wants
didn't.
more, Mos. He wants more, Mos.
And they
Means
can't
it's
get
nice.
it.
And they can't get it.
nice.
don't say that. When I pam one.
Jal.
Yo.
Sas.
Yeah,
Only
so,
God knows.
So straight, like, what's your type?
My type, ne?
Yeah.
Okay.
I so
Physique.
feel so.
Why ungifaka?
What are you feeling, impel? How feeling? Hi. Oh, feeling too cute, man.
Soft porridge.
Yeah. Too cute, man. Hey.
Oh, now
like
you like
usho-
rough guy.
Ufuna la
Not
tough.
too rough, but
Bavuka
like
ngepapa like Hey.
no, guys, like
I'm a Cocoa
like
Pops.
I see sure like physics wise, ne? Like appearance, ne? Mele like at least abe like mude. Yabo.
Tall.
Abe mude
For
kuna.
what reason?
Why?
Why am I a bit tall?
Hey bo.
Itype yakhe mele qala.
Yeah,
no,
it's like,
I
yeah.
just want like her, like I just want to
Angazi,
understand it why I'm a
because-
bit tall.
Cause
Oh,
like
yeah.
Maybe I'm the forehead.
like yeah.
Yeah,
I
that's
love
cute.
that.
That's cute.
I love that actually. Like yeah, like mele abe mude.
And those things don't happen anymore. Eh?
Uthini?
These two are not
Yeah.
romantic, bro.
Yes.
Yeah.
They've
Yo.
never kissed. Bakabacabuza on the forehead.
Yes.
Uchaza ukuthini?
Yes.
Ucabuza
Like
on the
but bayenza leyo nto.
Bakhona amajita enza.
Yeah, there's no.
Yeah.
You do it when
Yeah.
How?
Romance,
do it.
mele ube romantic.
You don't do it.
I don't
So
know.
to
Why?
won't romantic.
Akho romantic
Exactly.
yazi.
No,
Exactly.
there are a lot of ways to be
Ungathama
romantic.
2K.
In what way?
I'm saying like there are a lot of ways to show that you're a romantic person. It doesn't have to be that forehead and don't because of Omunya might not find that romantic because of like abanye they prefer the physical touch.
Yeah.
You see,
It
that's
is
what they
physical
consider
touch.
romantic.
But like
What's physical touch to you?
Cause for the
No.
No, cuddling it's also
No,
part of like
yeah.
physical touch.
Never had
For
kiss,
kiss.
guys.
It is, but
Ah,
khona
but
bangayithandi.
I wouldn't
guys.
like okay, I can good sound funny wait cards. But since like if I were to kiss someone, I can kiss you like your forehead without touching you. That's not physical touch.
It's
Makes
the small
sense?
things that matter, Marias.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you were still explaining your type. So maybe mude. Yeah.
Mude ne?
Mhm.
Mabe clean yabo. Yeah.
Clean, ane?
Yeah, you're
Like,
clean.
and it
Like
smells
abona
good.
yeah, abonakala ukuthi uclean vele. Uthi noma umbhekile nawe yambona ukuthi clean nasesithombeni abe angabe clean esithombeni kuphela.
Bakhona
Bakhona
amaclean
amajita
esithombeni awubazi.
Yeah,
Yazi iPhone ayidlala, iPhone.
Yeah, bakhona
Yes,
laba
yes.
aba clean esithombeni. Abe clean nala ahlala khona. Abe clean nje. Then yo like obviously mina nalomjita ne I feel like we should like share the same values, yabo. Mele sibe nama goals. Afana not exactly afanayo but then we should like have like similarities, yabo. Siyazi ukuthi sifuna like in kahle hle. Like sengikhuluma ngabantu abaserious mina la. Not laba abadlalile, right?
Aba seriously mamele ne. Bakhona aba serious.
Bakhona bamamele right. Mara angibafuni. Angifune emjolo manje.
Kanti ukho ku market.
Angikho ku market.
Why?
Or ngizi market. Ngibe ku market, ngingabi ku market. Ngithi ku relax. Exactly.
You just so
What if
you
Thomba
just-
phinde bangigile?
Cabang.
Yinto engiyisabayo.
Do you think now also like mama cat would you care? Again.
Ujwayele.
Because
Ah.
ujwayele vele.
Ayijwayeleki lento.
Guys,
Ayijwayeleki yo.
Serious?
Umuntu mawumthanda uyamthanda and makakuphula inhliziyo. It's like you say
Especially if,
mangakugwaza namhlanje uzoyifeel ipain ngaphinda kugwaza after 2 years.
Uzoyifeel.
Uzoyifeel futhi.
Exactly.
So it's like that, and-
Yeah. Umuntu mawumthanda ngakhetha ukhethile.
Unachomini type yakho.
Hey shame, I don't have a type. Yes. I shame when I got ngijwayele like
So no date anyone, ane?
not anyone is such ne.
You can take care of.
Not really ne. Yo.
Another type.
Wait, okay, no, I don't have a
Type.
type, but then like I know what I want when I see it.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes. Ngakubona manje ne umnyama ube mude. Ngithi oh wow. Phinde ngihlangane kusasa nomunye yellow bone. ngithi wow, like it depends. Like into engibona if ngiyayithanda.
Okay, yeah. Makes sense. But as long as
And then now
clean.
tell me, let's just say now you just fall in love with the guy, and then when it gets there, he's not doing the right thing.
Uzwenzani?
What would you do?
Mina yenzani vele. Like yena if alright,
Right. Akukho mnandi labo.
So you'd settle like you'd go for that less ukuthi
if
angakusatisfy in
like
bed.
ay mara yo.
Be honest, be
mara
honest, be
ngeke,
honest
yo.
umuntu efamfethu.
Ay angeke yo.
So you would leave him.
Angazi like like angazi like nami ngingazama not ukuthi like maybe ngizomtshela yabo but like yo yini engingayizama vele because unjani
Wena ungenzani?
hayi mina
Nothing.
yeah
You'd stay with him.
but no yazi kungaba into kanjani ne like uyabona umuntu ngingahlala nawe like singahlala sonke and everything ne but I feel like eventually ne like sizo split
Eventually,
Yeah.
because of his performance in bed. Which means you'd leave the
Damn.
guy when okay, you've answered us. And then when you wouldn't leave the guy.
You wouldn't.
I mean, I would leave, bro. I
Girl.
can't settle for someone. Imagine if, bro, like I feel like that's why
Yabungamthandi.
Yeah,
nah, like
Yeah,
a
she-
person must complete you,
But
dog.
guys,
Like
yeah,
she must,
exactly,
like
like
now, like
everything.
as a gent, like
Yeah.
you've got like your preference and so on.
Mm.
And sex, it could be one of them, it could not be one of them. So with me, it's one of them. So you can't judge me because of like it's part of my preference list to go to. I prefer someone that would satisfy me like all the time, every way, like ngendlela engifuna ngayo. You feel me? Yeah, like I wouldn't stay with a person like that. Eventually, dog, cause now, and then let me tell you, to people who are saying, man, I wouldn't leave, they're lying, bro. Cause now, like the reason I'm saying that is because of like if by any chance you get someone that satisfy you, I'm telling you, bro, that person that you are with, that relationship of yours that you are in, will be sitting on edge, young tall. Yeah.
Ngakho you're speaking from experience.
Yambona yo.
Hey, ukhuluma
Determined.
nge-passion.
I would leave. You've left.
Serious, nisho
That's,
kanje.
I'm being facts, bro.
Ilokuthi mina ngithanda le nto leya. So I don't really care. So
Do you believe it, dog?
you don't.
Why?
Why?
It's how it's done.
I don't care about it. Like anginandaba yes. Like I don't.
Mele be right but ayikho
If we are nje
essential
kube nje asiyenzi.
ayikho essential
Ayikho umshito ozovuma leyo.
Ngabe senzani?
Sabasenzani?
Then
Love you,
siphuma
I love you.
date, siphuma date,
Yeah.
masithenga imali yami nje.
Mina ngithola lutho lapho
Mina
ngithola.
ngidobhe next
So I
month.
must
Awutholi
pay.
next.
So I must
Yini
pay.
ngithola?
so mina yini
And futhi into worse,
guys
When
For you
They
taking
spend
me out
our
on
own-
dates.
In fact, these people
So
benefit
kufanele
from all
ukuthi
angles.
kusho ukuthi
Because now,
bayabhadalisa.
girls, you
Oh,
take them
that's
out and
basically, bro.
you take them out, bro. Check this, bro. It's like most girls, like when you're out with them, it's them like who first take out the phone and shoot with
Yeah,
you,
bazoshootha.
Sienzani,
Content,
Sidani. You feel me? That's what I'm saying.
Content.
They benefit more.
When
Like-
ushuthana ayikho into
You're
ozoyishutha.
not shooting anything.
not like
dog, when
Sitho
you are there,
shoot.
like
When into
ngathi
uzoyithola
status
embhedeni
aka
uzoyifumana.
Tupac, you are
It's not
there,
like
you
so
smile
much
into
to
everything.
start.
take
Yeah.
pictures
It's not like sithe ungashuthi and stuff.
exactly
You can also shoot.
You're
Yeah,
also allowed to
but
take
I'm
pictures.
saying you guys benefit more than us.
For taking us
In a
out.
relationship
Yeah.
there.
What's
in a
the point of
relationship.
taking a person out? To have fun, the both of you guys.
No, but we
We
can both
benefit
contribute. And let us go together then, because if we're gonna eat the same plate, same
Yeah.
food, same
That's
menu,
what
Naleyo
we
i-right.
stories. If you say 50-50,
Kahle kahle mina
stories
semele
start.
ngikhokha amalobola before ngithola le nto le.
oh,
Hayi.
yazi
Yazi,
I feel like
yazi.
kungaba right
hayi,
Because
khokhela inkomo
because
engaproduce ibisi. Hayi, animeni kancane.
but yeah hayi mara yeah mina ngisehlile for less vele nawe umuntu kumele uzazi
Okay, what
ukuthi
do you
ufunani.
consider less?
Yazi ukuthi
angazi but less guys
yazi
When what
ukuthi
do you
like
consider less?
Umuntu stupid.
yeah
Umuntu stupid, umuntu onjani?
yeah
umuntu stupid
umuntu
umuntu onjani?
ongacabangi
Umuntu ongacabangi.
umuntu
Umuntu
ongacabangi
Cabanga umuntu onjani?
Not even, I'm not like angikhulumi like ngama academics and stuff.
Yeah.
Even like around udom
Like
akuyuza
wena
njalo
wena njalo.
naso kumele ngihlezi baby bayakuyuza ubona unamanga unomona
Yazi like
umuntu stupid angizwana naye guys kumele ube la
isingithini.
ngeke ube indoda stupid no
Sizoshada kanjani?
So you are saying a guy must be street smart, like in a way also.
yeah
Yeah.
not street smart
You should.
iba academic
When you look like you're more into
smart.
gangsters,
Yeah,
nje.
something.
When you look like you're more like
I'm
into
not
rough
into-
guys.
No, just ngiyavuma nje cause
Vumela phezulu.
Kwamele.
Yeah.
yabo if like
Ah,
the street
guys, I
ke
don't
iba
talk like
academically smart
Okay.
Sorry,
Oh,
Joe.
Yeah,
Okay,
guys.
Sorry, Joe.
Guys.
Yeah, what are you saying?
I was saying if you're not street smart iba academically smart ke because if
Exactly.
you smart esikoleni
Yeah.
ngeke sisithole kule situation where you have to use your street smartness
Exactly.
so let's
Clever.
yeah yabo
Clever,
uclever like you're on
yeah.
top
Already
manje
yazi.
konke nje awuboni
Wena
Angeke,
konke
mfethu,
awuboni.
yo.
Exactly.
Okay, bakhona abengekho street smart ne
yeah
academical
and-
smart
yes
mara kibo bamnikeza yonke into abayifunayo
you are
Okay.
umuntu onjani
Yeah, I understand where she's
Aish.
coming from. Like she's saying,
I'm
like if you're a gender, ne, like in order for a relationship to work out or to survive, like you must be smart, like
For
in
real, bro.
between.
In between.
Yeah.
smarter than me and
Like you can be smart like with academics. It could help the relationship to grow, and that could also sustain the relationship for you guys and so on. But
Exactly.
even if you are street smart, also you can make money like
Exactly.
Yeah,
because you're
I
smart.
understand.
Because at the end of the
Smart.
day, you'd be
Exactly.
able like to support the relationship financially
Okay.
and young all.
And
Yeah,
you
but
can
if you're not smart, like you can
Yo.
obvious, you depend on your woman.
Yes.
yeah understand and noma lokungitshela ukuthi labantu bayakuyuza yiba manje yimi umfazi wakho mele ngitshele baby bayakuyuza labantu uzongitshela ukuthi awunomona
Unomo
Yo,
exactly.
nginomona.
Babona kanjani abantu aba?
bro but ke is what it is mara yeah indoda dom it's not for me
Yeah.
I'm too smart both
For
What
real.
was your worst
and
heartbreak? man?
academic
What was like your worst heartbreak in life that you would say, oh, this torn
Like
me,
the worst.
torn me
Yes.
into pieces.
yo wangitraumatize you abona amabhilidi la
wenzeni
Yabo, njengase council sense wenzani?
wenzeni
bra
Babona
yo
amabhilidi
le muntu leya
aseJozi.
it was a thing of like when ngimthanda and I was still so naive like yo I was still a baby like yo my mind wasn't working hle and then it was a thing of like
But
when
there was a point in life where your brain being a span girl. Oh,
I was just a baby like in fact I was just ngwana nje yabo so it's a thing of like yo abona nje ukuthi hayi this one is an innocent soul beyangenza izinto ngizenze nami aceda like ave sasijikise from nowhere then yo ufake isithathu
oh Nkosi yami
but it is what it is
Iplay that.
ayikho uyayibona
Ayi.
iphi le thathu
uyayibona wena
mina ngibona irose kuphela
irose
Nah, hlampi in between.
vele into
the
zamathathu
TVs.
le
You wouldn't know.
I was still
Yeah,
a baby
maybe
that's
send
why I
her
feel
letter
like
soon.
okay hayi kabi na ilokuthi it's gonna sound rude or I don't know or some people might take it personal ne but guys ne people are not supposed to be dating kids less than 19 years we don't think I feel like it's more of rape because your senses so we feel like we want to but then when we develop our right senses because you're cool we
but
see
the age of
ukuthi-
consent is not 17
is it
Dog, it starts from 16.
16.
16.
Yeah, and
Even-
it is
mara they have to change it
But besides, they say
16
after 12 is
umncane
lunch,
still.
most.
no mara that's wrong
16 umncane
as long as you think
16
let's be honest guys na ilokuthi they are saying age of
usathole
consent
ID manje
yazi like okay I understand but age of consent man mara to be honest like mawucabanga like ingqondo yakho ayicabangi kahle bona 16 you think you want something
Then
but then
why would
you
you
don't
jump to izinto that you know good at the end of the day
you
they're not for
think you want them
You think so?
yes you'll be thinking you want them but then when you come to your right senses you feel like shit why was I even doing that
Must
at the
so
moment
feel,
you want
yeah.
it so nje yo some things guys people are not supposed to be dating kids to be honest it's wrong in so many ways that's why bari king what rape statutory rape
Statutory rape.
yabo cause yi rape umuntu uzocabanga ukuthi uyayifuna but then
Mara-
akayifuni cause the more akhulu uzobona ukuthi no bengayifuni lento leya
Okay.
Inkinga manje,
Let me get this straight because I don't understand. I'm a bit lost. Okay, if now you and I are both in the like on the same age, then it does it still feels like rape?
Ayi,
When I
la siyaganga ke lapho
Same age.
sonke sina
siyaganga.
14 senza izinto zabantu
Siyaganga.
abadala siyaganga
Liyaganga.
Ayi, siyaganga,
Yikho ukuthi
shame.
rape.
So it
Urape
akekho
also-
phelweni
urape
engqondo phela ngeke
Hayi,
kube na
lapho
19
akusi-rape. So
ngeke kube na
akusi-
19 ulele nomntwana na 14 umntwana na 14 akacabanga kahle wena you
Exactly.
have
Wena
been
ufundani
through.
kunomntwana
Sure.
one-14?
You know
Into
ukuthi what's gonna
esishoyo
happen
ukuthi
you already
umntwana
know
una-14
Umntwana
wena
una-14.
una-19
una
akwenzi
19
sense.
like man we like a rapist
Yeah,
wena.
Leo
14.
Leo Vele,
Bruh.
I'm not gonna support it, Vele. It's not a good thing, bro.
Yeah.
Even like for your own image, there is a person dating a younger person to that extent. It doesn't feels right. But also, what makes it feels right, Uguti, these ladies, they allow these things to happen.
They are
You see?
kids. That's what I'm saying. Okay, when
Yeah, that's-
can I say
Akakwazi
something?
mara.
Can I say
Still
something?
young.
Ingqondo yakho, like I don't know, maybe are you 19, 20s lap? I don't know.
Yeah, 20s.
Love. 20s. Okay, ingqondo yakho, do you think it's working the same way that it was working maybe like
6 years ago.
6 years ago?
Well, I'm a gent. I feel like life, as much as you grow,
Yeah.
like you discover a lot of things. You feel
And
me? And
exactly.
that's why they say like there's no destination for learning. Like you learn
Yeah,
throughout. You
throughout,
see.
yeah.
So
So umuntu ona 14 akakaleni next. Ube swaba exposed to the wrong things and then the person thinks they like the things but then they don't really have information about the things.
Yeah.
yeah, but still,
exactly.
you can be date and still make wrong decisions. You can be date and still go to clubs, go to groove,
Then
and go
they
to
are
these things. Or
naturally
else you're a
stupid.
mom, you're leaving a kid.
Ish.
Yeah.
They are naturally
Yeah.
stupid.
Yeah,
To be
they
honest.
vele
Mara umuntu
stupid.
omntana
Umntana
guys,
umntana.
to be honest.
Into esishoyo ukuthi umntana.
Like you see kids are so naive in fact you can tell a baby like umntana na 2 years uthi thatha le nyoka uyibambe uzoyibamba
Uzoyithatha.
but then like the more you grow like you realize ukuthi
Uzobona
no
ukuthi,
yeah
No, but
so
okay. Let me understand this. But at the age of 14 and faith, you have already learned about life
14
orientation, things
You've
that has to
learned.
do
you
with
have
14.
life.
learned
Experience.
you have learned
14. Oh, grade 9.
Grade
Guys,
nine,
yo,
eight.
Grade 9, grade 8. Hayi, man.
14.
but it's not like lezi zinto esizifunda kwi-elo siyazivele siyazipractice in real life
Exactly.
It's not like that.
Guys.
What's the
But-
youngest have you gone? Youngest.
Youngest?
yes
Cause yo
yeah the way
usupporta le nto.
Yeah,
What's the
hey
youngest?
asas
Nah, to be honest, dog, I've never dated someone like that young.
What's the youngest?
yes the
The
youngest
youngest I could say maybe something in Shiang 2 years, 3 years, somewhere there. Yeah. That I consider my type.
really
Yeah, that I consider
The
my type.
support. Ish,
hey it's too much
it's not making
No,
sense.
no.
Too big.
No, like understand me. Like I'm speaking from the perspective of the gents. So
Mhm.
obviously, in a way, I need to stand with the gents and understand the good thing. But also, even you can't blame Pella. The reason we go to school is for us like to be aware of certain things, and for us, like it's like if you are told Uguti, if you smoke weed, it's gonna do you this at school.
Yeah.
You've already been told Uguti, weed is against and but you go and do it and then expect Uguti, that person that you're smoking weed is the one that's wrong because of he brought the weed. No, you can't say that.
like moral of the story don't listen even like happy bayasho lapha it causes cancer mara everyone smokes it so we don't listen and like what I'm saying is a kid
Thing is,
Iva.
ingane.
ingane guys
Ncane,
you
man.
don't
That's why
Kopana.
nabazali ne.
A kid in Angaki,
you know,
okay. Let's
parents,
talk about
they
the
say
kid. The kid.
uzokula.
Unangaki, this okay, let's talk about the kid.
17.
16.
16, 17.
going down
Once ungathi 18.
yeah
No.
Nah, 16, 17.
That
Would you
person
date
can
someone
travel-
with 16? Who's
that person
16?
can travel from this province to another province.
they
Now,
can
you
because
can't
they are
con-
human vele they
Exactly.
can umuntu fethu
And they have their right. They have their rights to travel. So.
yes obviously umuntu manginenyawo
When would you date someone who's 16 now?
16, dog.
17, 16, 17.
Even now, I don't do school kids, bro.
You see. Why?
why
Yeah, because of men.
what was the reason
Mhm.
I don't see something good coming out of that. You feel me? Yeah, like I just don't see something good coming out of that relationship as a whole. You see, so I wouldn't put myself in that position. I don't experiences. Yeah, I've did that after I left school because I believed the good. Okay, like I was still attached to
School
school a
kids.
bit. Yeah, but then it got that thing. It
Yeah.
eventually like got out of my system, and then I was like, you know what, this thing is chai, bro. Even if you tell me like I'm a school kid, no. Yeah.
Okay.
That's all.
When would you date someone who's older than you?
Who's older than me?
Yeah.
Obvious.
Depends.
But you've dated when available, so
She's
you
a
Depends.
girl. Obvious.
Yeah.
it depends.
How old?
Like maybe he's 5 years older than you.
5 is not much.
Yeah. It's wait.
Not-
Let me see.
10.
Let me count.
Yeah, 10, ne?
Yeah.
10.
Ah,
But you're right.
You are 10.
Yeah,
Yo.
5 is not much.
Young
I
rapper.
10
wena,
ngeke.
You
5 is
ah
not much.
10.
Yeah, I think
Hey, wena
anything beyond
ungangizala.
5
Ha.
for me.
Hayi ngeke shebitsholo lemuntu ongangizala. Yo. Kahana shem.
Hayi. Anything beyond 5, yeah, undala, I think. Beyond 5.
Yeah,
Maybe
5.
6. So ngishanga, maybe 6 years. Ay.
5, I feel like it's reasonable.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
reasonable.
That's why, yeah, anything beyond 5, ay.
But exceeding that,
Hayi. Mina 23 ke le.
Umdala.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey.
Nami.
Hayi.
Nami the
So
time.
Ah, 20,
nenhlebe.
23 is uyikhot man, man.
Yo.
Exactly, nami
Mele
the
usipale,
time.
man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
Ah.
you're
Busy
older,
nani.
ne?
Yeah, old.
Says a
23.
lot about you. Busy
Mara
nani.
23,
Na
guys,
23.
awudala.
Who awuna ma goals.
23.
Ufunani wena ningane?
Ungaleni.
Hey yo.
Ingane ifunani yona?
Ufuna imali.
Ingane.
Ingane ifuna imali. Ifunani,
Exactly.
ngafunani.
Ibona
But then-
ichankula.
But nah, mina I'm good sheng. Hey, good man.
Hayi na mama hayi. Ukuba iqanda le Grootman.
Ay ngikrend yo.
Okay.
Shop ka vibe.
But now also these 2Ks like are they like giving really like are they
Giving
giving
what?
good vibe like
Money.
yeah like are they
It's okay.
like is it what you guys are actually like looking for? Let's just say okay, we take out okay the after 20s whatever and then focus on the 2Ks and then like are they giving that vibe? Like are they what you guys are actually want?
Yeah. I'm not okay.
Hey,
I don't know. Mina yaza
Ngaba ukho
ngazi.
single, ngaba ukho single.
Ngaba ngikho single.
Nasengijolisa ukuphapha hayi. Mina shema I don't enjoy anything.
Yeah.
Emjolweni.
Serious?
Hayi. Njolo nje is stress.
Mele
Baby. Wawungangitextanga. Baby, come and see me.
But
Yo,
no,
gosh.
but I feel like sometimes kuya ngokuthi like umjolo ukuthole nini. Khona la umjolo ukuthola like ufeel ngathi uyawufuna or like ufuna vele umjolo serious. Then khona la
Umjolo ke sharp yazi.
Oh.
Hayi ngiyaphapha yo.
Serious?
Hayi umjolo like sangijola ngoba kuyajola. Hayi mina umjola. Hayi yo. Umjay.
amara umjolo vele uyaphapha umjolo like
Why? Why jola? Ngishade. Ngilinde ngicede isikole.
uzongishada.
Ngishade.
Oh,
Hayi mara ungishada.
bese uyachita.
Angeke ngishisa ngichithi mina.
namantombazana ayachitha yo.
Yeah.
Girls do cheat.
Yo.
It's normal.
Not
isn't it?
everyone.
It's not normal.
Okay, this
It's
thing
not
doesn't
Cheating is not
this
normal,
thing doesn't have
guys.
a gender, guys.
Cheating is
this
not
thing
normal.
doesn't have a gender.
What,
Everyone
cheating?
cheats. Yes.
Yeah.
Cheating is not normal,
Ukhulu
guys.
nje.
Every
Have you
gender
ever
cheats.
cheated one?
Yeah. Once.
What happened?
Once.
Why you cheated?
Like I felt guilty.
But you did it anyway.
Like after yabo. Mara guys, like I figure ngakuleyo extent ukuthi manje sesiyalalana. Umchitha like bese sekuqala kuba into ukuthi sekangitshela ukuthi manje sekafuna ngimpost. Like sekafuna siqala ukupostana. Hey, then mina ilanga khama clean khona ukuthi no mina actually ngine straight sami. Yabo.
Ha?
Yeah, mina ngine straight.
Heartbreak.
sami.
That is heartbreak.
Really?
Hey, bossy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll post the month long.
Then yeah. What about right to cheat? Alright, I think. Yeah.
Okay, guys, tell me. I just wanna know, like, it's influencers, ane? I feel like there are a lot of guys sliding into your DMs.
Yeah.
But in kahle kahle lama
Ngoba weird labantu yo.
Yeah.
Umuya kusela.
Nami ngithola bogogo la.
Nawe
ngithola bogogo
asiqale ngawe,
mama kabani
kwenzakalani?
ufunani la
Yours is
efuna
so
inyama umdala.
mina nginalona oyi-1 I don't know sengiblock like how many times probably 8 times
Yeah, there are
now.
those
I don't know ne
spirits that never
that
die.
guy ne yazwenzani yazwangitshitha uyawenzani uzoqala man like yazi usuke kuma message request vele like ngizobe ngiviewile ngimshaye ngosini because akazi vele ukuthi ngimshaye ngosini but ungisendela ID yakhe.
Why?
ID for what?
I don't know. Angibhalela
What are
ama
you gonna do
message.
with this ID?
He's like he'll be like angazi lento yaqala simple. Like it started as though like lo muntu lona ne ukhuluma nami like hello Amanda ngathi uyangishela you so beautiful like ngeke ngimshaya ngabosini yabo then jiki manje sekangisendela abo ID yakhe maka emsebenzini uyangitshela ukuthi yo sami
And ukhuluma i-1 ngalesikhathi.
Sami, I'm going to work. I'm going to miss you so much. When I'm live or anything, or when I post anything, he sends that back to me. Angazi ngimblocke kangani. Namanje ngimblokile, but I'm expecting another account. If you're watching this, ngiyazi uzongilanda futhi. Ngikhathele uwe. Like khulume nami angisendele account angisendele ID yakhe passport yakhe. I don't remember his name.
Can't wonder why are you finding him attractive or like
No, it's
Why
not
is he
attractive.
doing that?
That's not attractive.
Why is he doing that? Umdala.
Hayi.
Like okay akekho mdala kakhulu because lapha beyibhale ukuthi 2001 but he looks old. I mean I don't
no leyo khona umunye bekazi nokuthi ngihlalaphi.
but guys I don't he looks old.
I don't even respond
That's
to
the
like ama
thing.
message request. Lo muntu lo athi mele ngize lapha eLaras. Laras kalosikhathi vele ngihlale Laras. Mangithi ngiyambheka lo muntu
Mina akazi
ngaseJozi.
lo akazi angitshela.
Ngiyambona lo muntu akahlali ngaseJozi ngabe singabona ukuthi yo I danger. Bese kunalaba bakuthuka mangabaphenduli.
Yeah.
Bazokhuluma
Asekwe nangincengi uzoncenga mina khona lona ne owayelokhe ngitexta wagcina azethini uzoncenga unyoko He was like yazini angeke mina wangenzela ivoice note this time after like kungamphenduli kwami like ubana labantu everyday uyangincoma and everything but umdala yabo so kunalawo mentality ukuthi ya ne quality eyithombe like akusiyithombe ezino like ithombe zama 1k you understand so nginale mentality ukuthi vele umdala lo muntu 1k yo wagcina ngisendela ivoice note athi uzoncenga unyoko but no because mina nguAmanda ne
Shayibom. Wamphendula.
Mina ne I'm like I was like mina ngithanda ichomo yazi mina ne I feel like mangithuka ne ngicela ungithuke ngami mina ngithuke ngami shame ifuzo ngitshela amasimba if siyaphoxa even if siyaphoxana ne yo ngamani ungithuke ungitshela ukuthi Amanda wena ngazi unjani awuna hairline unjani whatever ne mofile ngathi ungangitshela ukuthi Amanda unomkhaba good ezongutshela mina but manje mase sofaka umamami or ifamily yami yo nami la engizokuphendula la ngizoqala khona ukuphendula musangitshela ngokuthi Amanda wena uyaphapha watwatwati uzitshela ukuthi ubhigi watwatwati mina ngishaya ngosini
phume kuyi
ngishaya ngosini wesina ku Facebook ngithanda ukuthi ngireact kwi-message yakho ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ubone ukuthi ngiyibonile nengifundile ngisenda usharp ngifuna ukuthi ungisendele enye futhi ngiyazi ukuthi yabana because uyahlanya ngikwenza ukuthi uhlanye u1 but mase sofaka umzali wami or anyone related to me family hayi lapho ngiyakuphendula so lo mjitha lo after eqeda ukuthi uzoncenga unyoko emdala njalo yazi ngamphendula ngathini ngathi yazini mina vele wami umama uyangincenga mina vele wami umama uyangincenga mina nomama wami siyancingana si right nawe uzoncenga unyoko lo wakubalekela
yo
then ngayisenda then ngamblock
yo and after that mina I don't block them bazokuthuka bitch waphinda aqale phansi futhi beautiful.
Serious.
My love.
Unamanga.
From beach to my
I
love.
think it's honest. Like,
I'm sorry.
Bathana,
Mina
beautiful,
ngiyablock,
I love you.
shame ungithuke
Wow, like
ngizala.
yo, maybe like 40 unread messages. So
Nemaningi.
bitch.
Usitshela ukuthi
fucking what that.
Yeah.
Shage bomb. Beautiful. I love you so much, baby girl. Yo.
Psycho. Like there's just a lot of psychos on social media.
So like you've
That's
never
what I
like
can
met the
say.
potential like on Facebook, like someone that you feel like, wow,
No.
wow,
You
wow.
can't very potential.
Ayikho.
Ayikho.
No.
And don't you
But
guys feel like
no,
your life is in
akhona.
danger
No,
because
guys.
of now you're a
Wait,
public figure and
akhona
people get to say
ama-potential
whatever to
on
you.
Facebook and everything, ne?
Facebook.
Hayi wena ku-Instagram.
Guys, yonke indawo
Ngiyambonile.
abantu abakhona abantu like umuntu phela mayine Facebook account ne kufanele abe ne like makumuntu ophilile ingakho ngithi ingakhathi abantu abaphilile kumele abe nayo Facebook uzobe nayo Instagram uzobe nayo TikTok
Potential. Who Facebook
uzobe
boys?
chome phela
Does it depend like babadumile or what?
upusha i-content yakhe
Like whomever, it can be
uclean.
influencers.
Guys, no. I don't see a potential.
Mina
in
as long
Facebook.
Anamangazi
Clean,
ngiyibona.
Serious.
Facebook.
Guys, as long clean like umuntu as long like
Abanye bahle
like
phone
maybe
yabo.
une Facebook
Yeah.
une Facebook une
Abantu ku Facebook
Instagram then yeah.
bangibhora man.
How?
Like obviously kumele ube
Thina.
Instagram phela
So abantu be-Facebook.
No khona abanye ukuthi ngibona lo muhle efonini. Mawubona real life.
What makes that? I'm a
ayine
filter.
baningi yo
Ay.
hayi mara ku
Vivid.
Facebook ayine njobo pensile ku Facebook baningi yo.
Mabona
Siyambheka yo. Hey.
Okay.
Ni.
Okay, guys, I want us to talk about this. Okay, there was something that was trending recently in Dabaga Lerato Molwelang. Yeah. So she released this statement just before I could let you guys like comment on the matter. I know you guys you've probably seen Mama clips trending and circulating and whatever, yabo. Okay, this was the statement that she released on her Facebook account. Okay, it is it reads like this. Official notice to the public, to all South Africans, please take note. The video is currently circulating does not involve me. However, I want to make it clear that I was exploited and misled by a casting agency. I did not sign any agreement or contract concerning to that lawful production, distribution or exploitation of this content. I did not give informed consent for how this content has been used or shared. Any further sharing, reposting, editing and monetization of this video is any further sharing, reposting, editing and monetization of this video is unauthorized. Legal action will be taken against any individual page entirely that continues to exploit or circulate it. I also clear that there is a Facebook account currently circulating that does not belong to me. I'm not affiliated with that account. I only operate this Facebook account and my official Instagram. Any information or consent shared outside of this official account should be regarded as false or misleading. Okay, to me, it's gonna start to me, okay. How I feel about this? It's sensitive, it's very sensitive because now it involves like our South African girls and it's very sensitive.
Yeah.
Okay, firstly, when I look at the video, let's first talk about the video because a trend and then before she could release the statement. Yeah, the video started trending and circulating. Firstly, what I picked up on that video, Mfethu, angeke uthi uyenze interview eRomain. Kanti ama-interview awasayenze le boardroom. That's the thing. It doesn't make sense.
Baby Zanlentele. This, the board, whatever. That.
Yeah.
This thing, the white one.
This
whiteboard.
is backdrop. Backdrop.
Okay.
And it's like it was a modeling what. Maybe I'd say it's so shitty and stuff.
Yeah, but that was not there.
It wasn't
This was not there.
I don't know. Ngizokhona ukumlela ke.
And now after I've seen the clip, like ayihambisani lento ayishoyo nalento siyibonayo.
Guys, do you know what's the problem ne? Maybe yena she did not agree for it to be out there. Mara kuyenza vele bekafuna ukuthi yenzeke and she got the money that she wanted. But then I don't think
allegedly.
Allegedly, yabo. But then I feel like okay, man, say ya trend and she didn't expect it like ukuthi trend. I don't think
she expected poster.
Yeah.
I don't think ukuthi she was aware. Well, it's probably that white guy. Yeah, it seemed like because that video, you go website and it's on.
And
XXX website.
But then it can trend after Ulerato.
Hey, and baning yo.
Baning ane.
You.
Baningi man.
Too much.
But man, I feel like if only that video, that guy didn't leak that video. Best ngeke sazi.
Yeah, vele she was doing it.
Yeah, like it's like now she's trying to protect herself and trying to be a victim because of now things went sideways.
She is a victim,
that's
low-key.
how I'm feeling also.
Do you know what I'm saying? She is a victim though. She's a victim of content yakhe, like explicit being thrown out there without her agreeing. But then she's not a victim of lento. She's not a rape victim. Then she is a victim of ukuthi post explicit, you understand?
Posted without the consent.
But what was the point of shooting it if it was not going to be posted anyways?
Just maybe like guy lied. Yeah, I want to see it. Yeah, I want to see the video so that I can get sent on. Yeah, you know,
bro.
I feel like
when you look at that tape, like where she was, where they do intimacy, bro. Like, in fact, it's all clear with the camera lapha. She can see it rolling, bro. It's clear.
I don't think she thought uzoyipost. Guys,
post up. Mina I posted. Mina yenzeni.
Ayibuke, yes. No. Like some guys are liars. Maybe uzothi, yeah, let's shoot this video just for memories. I'll be watching it. Yeah, every time when I miss you, I'm gonna watch the video. Jiggy, so over Facebook, ya trend lapha yang.
Yeah.
Church girl.
Yo, church girl, where's?
Church girl, well?
Yes.
Yeah,
there are pictures of her.
Yeah.
She is a church girl.
A church uniform.
Yeah.
And how do you guys, like as ladies, feel about what is situation in How do you react if it was
It's sad. I will carry on with life. I'm strong. I'm just a strong person as an individual. Like he's strong. I'm very strong. Yeah, I don't know. Hey, look, say as your family on
that's the thing. Like, what about? Yes, like what about?
Yo,
akana peace.
Akana feel.
Ubhizi ubheka iTV mzinduni yakhe igcwele umhlaba wonke. Yo mama makana ho guys. Every day awugezanga izitsha. Ilezinto ukusela abantu abamhlophe. Yo mama makana ho guys. Yo
kubo
social media. Yeah, social media star. Busy aphuma la uyoshoot.
Ama live
uyoshoot.
Hey, ama live uwe.
Uyoshoot induni. Oh mama makana peace shame. I feel like kuyo ngangenza ngicommittele yanto. Hey mama makana ho. Maka maybe like she's going to be supportive because uyabona ukuthi
izokaffect her.
You understand?
Hey buye phela nabo uma bebona ukuthi damage ngathi inkulu.
Hey Marion, it's too much lokuthi again ngithi ngi strong.
I feel like
I've never been through what she has been through.
Yeah.
That's too much, yo. It's too much.
Yeah, like it's a lot to digest, huh?
Yeah, yo.
Imagine about what would you do if it was your girl doing that?
Nice question. Okay, yeah, she cheated.
Cheated.
No, but now look at this. What if?
But poverty is real.
Poverty
is real, guys. Poverty is real.
If she spent it on me. Yeah.
iPhone.
As much as alleged that she got the money. If like maybe she bought you something special with that money that she got there. She was doing like just to make you happy. Maybe it was your birthday.
She was doing it for her birthday. So look, it's only 10K. She spent 9.5 on you.
Allegedly.
And
they say she got 10K.
And we born like 9.5. That's like we are paying. Okay, 10K let's holy.
Nangithanda imali yabo so ngizosala.
Mara, it's too much. Amachita. Yo, spending induni cherry yakho boy.
And then tell me, then is it true ukuthi akhona like are they akhona in like because now she said Because like there's this thing which is circulating with like there are fake casting agencies. Like, is that thing real?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that one is for trafficking.
Yeah.
Like come to and ngihlezi ngibabone odala bazama kimi.
Serious?
Yo, and then ngiyabe ngibhengi ngijwayela amasimba your fucking shit. Like I would be looking at it, I'm like, wow, like vele ngifuna ukungithatha. There was this other one ne, she was bekathi uthengisa inwele ne. Beka nesithombe siwani ugirl, yeah. She was like to me, I want you to promote my hair. What mangithi ngiyangena ku profile la girl purple and there is nothing. And then I went like with the floor. It's okay, what do we do? Angitshela ukuthi you must meet where there is no
office.
One. No, she was like we must meet in
office.
What did she say we must meet? Mara it was somewhere around like Boma Alex there. Oh, this one, she thinks I'm stupid, ne? She thinks I'm stupid. And then I was like, so very ufuna ukungikidnap. Into ngishilo mean. I said no, like it said that I'm starting. That's okay, why don't you have pictures or like inwele zakho like anything. Okay, as I'm just starting. Wara ngabe singabona ukuthi lo ngijwayela. Like guys, be aware
bakhona vele
a lot. And bayazama kithi.
Bayazama
yo
DM ne. I work with Teddy. I must say low driver.
Teddy, so what that?
No, Teddy, the boy Teddy.
Oh yes.
Yeah,
oh, I see.
I work with Teddy. I want you to come to Durban. We shoot content. Yet okay. Why don't you shoot a content now? Because now you're not going to Teddy. Why don't you shoot a Teddy? No, I'll send you money.
You see?
Wasn't kidnapper, la?
Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah, and they love to say I'll send you money before.
I'll send you money.
Before saying anything, ne, they'll be like, I'll send you
money.
I need to
send.
Yeah, I'm like I
ukuthi mina shemabakazi bangisendela ngihlezi ngithola laba abafuna ukumpromote izinto zabo baqamba manga. Even like ama modeling agencies nokubheka when you're scrolling like on Facebook and then you see like there is a modeling agent and 5 likes and then there are girls they're like girls interested and then you see like poor children commenting and I'm like yazi nizohamba kude futhi nizotravel emazweni kodwa ningekho happy ngabe singabona ukuthi no.
In especially ku Facebook. I feel like abantu bagcwele ku Facebook.
Yeah.
Serious?
Yes.
Yabona ku Facebook ne there are a lot shame. Yo a lot. Omunye ne uzokutshela ukuthi I recently started. I did have models.
That's what she said. Yeah. That's what she said.
I did have models.
Yeah,
I did have models, but then we could. Angazi ati content yakho niyepi. Because ngimbuzile but akangibuzanga yabo. Because na akana profile nothing. Just nje isithombe nje sakhe. Enemuhle. Yo.
Pinterest xoxela akusuki.
Exactly. Into engisho ukuthi uzofika lapha ya. Izithombe zabanye abantu they ifika sinqa.
Uzofika lapha yabona into
strong side view ne. And then I'm like, oh, okay, really? Okay, ngiyambuza ukuthi say, okay, so if we were like to meet, ne, where would we meet, yabo? Yes, athini. Athi, no, obviously, I'm located in what's this, Durban. So I'll book a flight for you.
Same.
What? I'm like, you're located in Durban, so why don't you like look
for models
for people from that side?
Yeah. Exactly.
Then the girl was like, no, people from this side, they are not serious. What?
Who said I'm serious?
I was like, I mean, I know, shame. Honestly, I feel like the distance. I was like, no, the distance. That's not. Don't worry, I'll send money for you.
I ngasho live. Vele yona kidnap me. Ngafaka ne question mark. Like ngiyakubona into ofuna ukuyenza and I want you to see that I see what you are trying to do.
Exactly.
Like I'm not.
But then tell me, why is it always the case that girls are always the victim of such things? Like have you ever got like like a scenario where where like predominantly it's males who have been a victim of such? Why is it always girls?
It's always
is it girls that are targeted mostly?
It's girls, obviously.
Yeah, girls are the target market. Let's start there because you can use them for a lot of things. And then secondly, we love izinto like zomhlaba. We love things like
prettiness.
Yeah, materialistic things.
Yeah,
materialistic things. We love them. Like yabo.
Just being pretty.
Yabo. And then see target market in fact. mostly
And
sithaken
enye into engiyibonayo ne sometimes there is I don't know like abantu abadala ne abakhona like ukudifferentiate between ifashion ne angazi nani but yeah like abakhona ukudifferentiate between ifashion angazi nabantu abagangayo I think ngasho njalo. Yeah, you see sometimes abantu abanye most abantu abangama victims kuma girls it's us who wear
short
things.
I think it's visible to what they
Yeah.
You understand? It's us who wear like short things. They'll be like, no, like it's always us who wear like short things. Even when like maybe we are hambe and uqoke a mini dress lapha eJozi, ne? They'll be thinking you're going there by
uyodayisa
lapha. Especially if we're around double ups, ne? Because my bestie stays around those sides.
duze nasemaboneng duze
Yeah,
ne-influence
so you know ukuthi mangidlula nje maybe I'm wearing a mini dress
ngidlule laphaya
mangidlula
nge-mini
nje laphayana ne like
Ngasifana
like
nabo.
sebeyangibulisa
Let's be
manje bakutshela omunye ne they'll be like hey we ozothatha pheka they're now showing me money, so I feel like sometimes ne like abanye abantu they portray short things as
Mara, can I say
as
something?
ukudayisa.
I feel like in an environment that you must wear those type of clothing,
Yeah.
and then there's an
there's an environment that just
laphaya mina
yeah
shema
khona
ngeke.
environment yaziyo ukuthi
Uthi
you know ne
ungagqoka.
exactly
yabona
because
leya
it's
side
fashion.
yasemaboneng laphaya
Avele
abalayini
laphaya.
udlule nge-short skirt wena ngicabanga ukuthi bafuna ukuthi like bazocabangani uthi nawe
Exactly,
Bazojudge
bazotshela ukuthi nawe
Hey.
unabo.
and you can't even
Exactly.
blame them because like the environment,
Exactly,
you understand?
environment yakhona injalo ne
Yeah,
exactly.
maka in Saint like in a nice place uyigcokela imini skirt sakho ngeke like lokhu uze umuntu
Ukuthi
athi
uzwe
how
umuntu-
much
Exactly. Exactly, bro.
yabo so
But in how much?
And I also feel like it's also like a black people mentality.
like
Igcebe ukuthi like umuntu ogqoka like not wonke umuntu ne but yeah you know abantu abamhlophe yo umuntu
okay,
azihambele
I
ngebikini
get what you're saying.
and kunormal
Like for a black
Normal.
person, like it's like now that person is
Yeah,
doing his
Even
thing.
kuma-mall
Yeah.
yazi uyamthola umuntu ogcoke like
into
you
encane
like
normal.
ehamba
no one even looks at them that
bahamba
way.
nabazali ubathole behamba nabazali but she's wearing something that's really short showing off her like buttons and everything
Yeah.
but then akayikho
like
like
umuntu
umuntu
black people sexualize everything.
exactly
Yonke into
That's why
nje
ngithi
they just sexualize.
ingqondo zabantu abamnyama
yazibolile zona shame.
abantu abamhlophe ayi man abayicabangi zonke lezo
But
zinto
also, if you look at this, it's young girls which are targeted. So do you feel
Yeah.
like girls are manipulated in a
Yeah.
way, or ukuthi vele amantombazane athanda izinto?
Girls are manipulated. Sesibuyela back to that point of saying kids are kids.
kids
are
are
kids.
kids
Yeah.
exactly
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
it's
if you
all
compare, yeah, like no, now with that guy that appeared in that video, I could agree. Because now, if you compare that guy's age, and
Yo.
It looks old.
and
as
Olera
hell.
to old, no, it's very old, bro.
It looks
Obviously,
really
like
old.
also manipulates in a way, bro, and he's gonna get away with it.
I'm gonna give you
Exactly.
20k and I'm out here cabang 20k yo ngithengele into
Yo,
eyiningi and I'm not gonna
exactly into
post.
isuke uyicabanga
Yeah,
that's
what
why
I want.
ngithi
Yeah,
Especially
poverty
if he
is
says,
real,
"I'm not gonna
guys."
post this."
Yeah.
You're gonna believe it.
You're gonna believe it.
And there's
Of
money.
course.
There's
And it
money.
comes-
There's money.
A lot
and
of
it's coming
money. I
from
feel
a
like
white
it's not
guy,
like
you
money.
see.
Yeah, not a vele black
because
that's
a
like
black guy-
eh uyamazi
Pepe.
shame.
Asithemba
Yamazi
kazi.
ukilibet.
That's why I
Thina
am
ubona ngisho mall,
That's why lo muntu
like yabona
ayenza
like
because
if like
ukuthi
use
abantu
mall mhlambe
bazongibelieve.
like mall mixed of like races,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
even these white people they let them pass without checking even if they sleep and
Yeah.
whatever.
Mara
You,
wena.
I will stop you, baba. Come here, let's search you.
You and the value elokuthi nje guys apartheid angeke iphele yazi, let's be honest. That's another thing.
But
Yeah.
also I
And
feel like
hanging.
also it's the power of money, bro.
Yeah,
Money
You
is
see.
power.
money is power.
And
guys.
wait, Young
Money
Doug
is
said
power.
it. Young Doug said it. First you get the money, then you get the power. That guy is
Exactly.
his money, so he's got power over a lot of girls.
Exactly, yo.
Even if he wouldn't win like 80% of the South African girls, but 20% for sure, he will have a victim. Ubona bathi, hey mina Because now, after Lentoka Lerato, there are a lot of girls coming out saying like their own stories, bro.
They're not even coming out. I'm a video about coming out.
Nama video. Because there's a video of 4 girls. Yeah, there's a video of 4 girls. About like, your daddy is tired and whatever and don't.
Yeah, I saw those.
Yeah,
I didn't see
that girl said straight to Gucci, come
relax
inside of us.
She was like, no, daddy should come and relax inside of us.
Daddy
Isn't
is
it?
tired.
The guy was busy. The guy was like, yo, I'm tired, guys.
Yeah, the guy was just
they were like, yo, daddy is tired. Then the guy was like, so where do you guys think that daddy should relax? Ne? Then one girl, she was like, I think that daddy should come and relax inside of us.
Hi,
not inside of me, inside of
us. Yo.
Then the video was like, yaphela kanjalo ne? Yeah.
Hey, but guys,
there were 4 girls.
there were 4 girls.
Yeah.
Yo,
like, to be honest,
I don't want to lie. If I could find my girlfriend doing such,
What
do you do?
hey, these people.
Baba, which means he's been doing this thing for years. Now, bro, let's. Oh,
it's your daughter.
Okay, wait, I wanna ask, guys. Okay, sharp.
That's very sensitive.
Okay,
if
can
it's
I
my
ask-
daughter, yo,
Can I ask your brother? Let's say you have a brother name, and then they come to you. They're like, they send your brother and uncles good by kulumela indaba zamalobola like abakhongi and stuff. Bafike kuwe bathi ngifuna lobola uLerato.
And when are you?
Lerato mulwelang.
Yeah, mulwelang.
And then bathi bayolobola yena. Uzofika uthina phaya.
Let's say like
what do you even say?
Let's say umjitha vela akazi ngo. Let's say umjitha akazi ngo.
Even if he knows,
As 2 years, he knows. The video went viral.
He knows. Okay, sharp, uyamlobola ugirl, abakhongi and stuff, bayabathumela and stuff. Man fika lapha ya, nofika nthini?
Obviously, you're gonna do things normal, even if they don't seem normal. Even if things are not normal, but you're gonna.
Okay. Babe se ba demand ukuthi hayi sifuna inkobe zus 8.
I deserve a 2.
Why?
And I feel like you see now, bro. Let me tell you, I feel like
2 is a lot. It's 20k, 50.
50.
I'll tell you.
25.
And I feel like a bona manje.
25, 20.
Makuthiwa mhlambe kuyolobola. I because
40K
mina
is actually
imali
something.
yokuthenga, yabo le mali yokuthenga ama takeaway mele siyiminus. Sithi no, I've been spending ama takeaway kulo muntu lo for this long. Udla kamnandi. Kade eqalile edla kamnandi. Siyiminus leyo mali. Siyiminus ukuthi I've been buying this person clothes. Siyiminus iyehle le mali le because now bazokutshela ukuthi hey ufuna into umuntu kade lokadla imali yakho lana nihleli nonke.
Okusala you wrong. Like nothing. Okay, well according to amasiko and stuff, well you're not supposed to be staying nomntana omuntu without paying anything. When okay, it's your choice ukuthi lokhu yamthengela and stuff. You are not supposed to be uhlala nomntana omuntu without paying anything.
Okay, now
that's bad.
Okay. What happens now if like if I get into a situation whereby let's just say I'm with you, and then I'm spending money on you and whatever and I'm taking you out and and then now must say they don't look at that would have been taking care of you. They look at the ugutswena like you value this, you do this, like you
in the first place, why are you with me without paying anything? Ungidla mahala.
But okay.
They don't even look at that.
Okay.
Guys, I understand.
Okay.
But then, like at the end of the day, you decided to pay.
Okay. Let's just say, if now I pay from the get-go.
That's why there are damages.
Exactly.
They are paying damages and stuff.
Yeah, but now,
damages.
That's
for Ichichi, ne?
Yeah.
It's for Ichichi. But now, if maybe
you pay.
Really, Chomi.
Choma ngeke umuntu mangamshadanga umntana abantu macede uyamthatha uzomphekisa yes, that's so wrong.
Yebo.
You do. Choma maka is wrong, like think like umntana akho, your child, like bayamthatha, like uhlala naye lapha uyamshaya wena futhi akupheka wathi bayamspank izinqa bayamudla every day every night nalosikhathi akho khanga next.
Then uyabuya lo mjitha sekambuyisa umntana
uthi I paid
ngaloyo weekend.
Yeah.
Yes. usayambuyisa cause ufuna ukumlobola
yeah athi
akabhadali
uthi ayi phela
akabhadali inhlawulo zokuthi wena bongahlali nomntana wakho for these 3 years bejola
and for another thing yeah so yakhuluma ke manje yeah lona bekadli rice 10 kgs eShoprite imalini so yaccount ikhoza manje like ngaleso sikhathi busy ngidli hayi yo
wena ezumzali
how do you feel
yo ungayicabanga umjita
like things as a parent
mele ucabanga ukuthi nawe uzoba nabantwana eventually
yeah
so ungayenzi into like ungayenzi into ngeke ukuthi ithando ukuthi yenziwe kuwe
yeah
okay now what happens if now ngibhadalela amalobola from the get go as much
as now makes sense
and then bese ayacheat enza izinto eziphuma endleleni
you can go and take your
cheat
no they don't give us
you can demand your house back
you can the girl cheats
no ababuyisi
you do
so kuya nge-family selfish izothi hlalani phansi
abakunikeza if like abafuni yabo ile ama family azokutshela ukuthi hayi sesidlile thina inkomo ubani othi ubani
sizileke mele senzeni
nje kahle hle kumele uzithole back inkomo zakho if umuntu
because what are you paying for
because isn't it wena awunacala la
yeah
ubhatalile amalobolo
20k
ene uye
no not 20k I meant 20k
incane
I meant 20 yeah hayi wena songilobola nge-20k ngizokuzalela abantwana abawu10 ngimbe movie nge-20k hayi inkomo eyi-1 25
yo
haya asibayehlisele sithi 20k choma
hayi mara ngengilobole nge-20k
ufuna malini
hayi
ufuna malini
20k ku bank account
okay besides the point
yebo
no
ufuna malini
okay mina shame yazini ne ilokuthi ne the time mina masengishada I believe in myself I'll be something
but chominki manje yazi inkomo
I'll be something ngekungilobole nge-20k
chomi no not 20k
lokudelela abazali
uzobucharge inkomo
eyi-1 angakugijimisa yazi ngijwayela kabi 20k
but ucharge inkomo eyi-1 inkomo eyi-1 20k how many cows
okay
20k by
5 it's reasonable
inkomo 5
100k
thenga nemoto
20 40 60
kanti wena usitshela ukuthi ukulobola intombazane emalini 10000
ngeke
yikho abantu bashada abalungu
exactly
ulobole
no ulobola mina the girls
mina shem
oh yeah bayakulobola ne
bayakulobola
yeah I think
bayakulobola cause usiko lwakho
oh okay wait do amantombazane ne
nawe ufuna ukulobolwa
hayi ukuthi
balobola abafana abamnyama
lobola mina
I think so nami I've heard of it like amantombazane bara white Indians oh yes ama Indian
amantombazane bazoza kimi
yeah bengibheka iziwealth yeah they do balobola
abafana
yeah Indians do
I used to watch Ziwealth so much I know
whites babhadaleli wedding
no guys please plug me
nami ngitshelile vele ngisifunela
hayi plug me
baningi white
baningi lejos baningisa amafoni
eDurban uzobathola
yeah a lot
eThekwini
bazokulobola nami
ufuna ukulobolwa wena
yeah like
why
I feel like
stress
for a change you do things differently like for a change
umntwana uzophuma emuhle yazi
lokuthi kunenkulumo it's nice for you guys manithatha like thina mangatshola nenkula manje benomntwana yo I was a trender the whole year every time I post umntana my friend awungeke guys no shame ngeke yo ayingeke
okay
ayikabi shame
okay ngifuna ukwazi ngicela ngitshele I just want to get into this thing of girls selling but before I start there's this question that I want to ask. Ngifuna ningitshela ukuthi between the two ubani wrong ane yeah okay let's just say hlampe okay let me just say I don't want to make this example
ngoze ngifake mina siyajola ne then mina ngiyothenga
in that thing
okay ngiyothenga ngikuthola khona ubani wrong
lapho
sonke si wrong
hayi wena ufuna
kanjani
wena ufunani hayibo angikwanelisi mina inhleke
now should awumanelisi
ngemali unganelisi wena ke shuthi mina kukwanelisi ngale yanto
exactly that's why I
pay
but now ufuna lapha should go now you're not satisfied because now you are there.
I'm there.
Maybe
no,
man. Guys, only there for the money.
Like they do it for the money. Girls do it for the money, and then guys do it for satisfaction.
Most of girls, it's mostly money, guys.
So no wrong.
It's you.
No, but they're doing it for money, most.
I'm doing it for money. Why are you not providing money?
So honestly, why you not provide for me?
Ngize ngiyodayisa.
Wena ufunani?
Mara unesibindi sokuyothenga.
Ngiyakuthanda.
But when
I love you.
Awunamali kanjani ukhona ukuyothenga?
Yazi?
No, but when ufuna ndaphayana.
Wena uyakhona ukuyothenga wena. Wena uyakhona ukuyothenga.
Thula.
Leyo mali othenga ngayibonga bese ngathenga ukudla maybe.
Yazi sibe happy.
Phela khona ukuthenga.
Wena usuyothenga.
Guys uba nodayisa nge10 yazi ayikho lento
nikho. Guys.
Kan badayisa ngamalini?
Imali guys.
Okay, they are cheap bona lejozi ne, but I don't think
10 rand.
Angeke udayise
there's nobody.
No, I don't think
nobody.
Guys,
nobody will sell for like 10 rand.
No, sell for 10 rand. Like maybe minimum singathi 200.
Yeah, me.
Cheapest.
Yeah.
You are too almost.
Ashona tiyadura
No way.
230 make feast
ingakho ngithi sithenga ukudla ungahamba uyothenga ufunani wena lapha
which means uba no wrong
sonke
wena ufunani nawe lapho
ngifuna imali
mina ngifuna imali
ufunani utshola nami ungazi ukuthi anginamali
ngithanda ungenamali kodwa ke angeke ngikhona ukuphila
awunamali mina umbuzo uthi
so kuzomela ingcono
uyodayisa wena
mara umbuzo wami uthi awunamali kanjani but
you can go and buy
uyakhona ukuyothenga lokho ngithenga lokho leyo 200 obuzoyibhadala ukuyothenga
to save us both from cheating
usiyakhona nokuthi usithengele thina ukudla sithi thengani thina singathenga
kusho nje uguy is not satisfied.
You understand like siyakhona
ukhona umjito oba satisfied ukhona umjito khona uba satisfied
no I don't think so I don't think it's in men's nature to be satisfied.
Can you be satisfied?
Why do you say that?
I feel like men naturally cheat.
Amachita
siyakhala. Guys, you guys justify nonsense.
No, siyakhala. Ukhala.
But then kunento oyikhalela.
Nonsense ne, but iqiniso.
No, uthi uyakhala ne. Guys, you can halela something but then don't eat it.
Exactly.
That you can ngakhalela cake uyalibona mara bakutshelile ukuthi it's poisoned. You're not gonna eat it.
I wanna eat it us
and die.
But inkinga labo. Kinga phela Chomi sometimes ne abadla amakhekhe poisoned kuphela.
Badla kanjani?
Akho amanye bayadla
different flavors. Chocolate, caramel, velvet.
Phela ngeke udle ipapa every day.
I feel like it's in men's nature
spaghetti.
Mina that's what I say.
You taste.
Yazi ukuthi kuphendule kanjani? I'm still processing.
But it looks like for a man it's like if I cheat there's nothing that I'm losing, Mina, from my
what are we losing? Yeah. Okay. What are we losing?
I was thinking it's elastic and free. So as much as if it keeps on getting different sizes.
You guys.
I also don't believe.
Are you colors?
It's not elastic.
It
is elastic.
It is, yeah.
But then
lento le ukuthi uyavithika umuntu
ukuthi manje
angazi bakhona
nama ngikholwa ukuthi ukhona umuntu
ophelayo
maybe yeah so exact
ayikuthi
uyaphela ayikho leyo
so phela lento le iyabuyela
you can give birth to a person
wena uyaphuma kumama wakho uyazibona ukuthi
uyabona ikhanda lakho lingakanani siyabona mara uphumile mara ikhanda lingena I'm sure maybe ikhanda lingo example ikhanda lakho lingakanani mara ikhanda lingena
it goes and comes back ayikho nje leyo akaphela umuntu
kusho ukuthi
phela
kuyakhona ukungena enkulu ne
ayikho futhi naleyo
ayikho ne mileage
no ayikho lento enikhulumayo guys everyone akekho umuntu ophela yazi
umuntu akapheli
akekho shem
amara amajita yaphela
ya amajita yaphela
actually boys are the ones
wasiphela kanjani isitshele
uDileni
no
ubani
uDileni keep my peace
ubani uDileni manje
no amajita phela kanjani mina I just need like Describe a person of umjita.
umuntu awonde nje like you bona na ukuthi
Ayabona now.
yes hayi iprime yakhe nje iphelile
ufila ngathi vele
so muzwini
like yabona
ayiloya
ubhekile ne
ukwaba icrush yami nami
uyazi ukuthi umbhekile ebusweni
manje ngiyamnyanya nje
ubone ngathi
mangishela
vele
nje
like
ngithi
uphelile
Stay away from me.
uyabona ubukela nje umuntu ophelile nje
Amajita siyaphela.
yeah yaphela manje
Siphela kanjani? Angiunderstand
Asazi,
into yokuphela
nathi
thina
bathi
amajita.
niyaphela.
uphelile
like
he's finished
Oh, it's finished kini.
konke kuphelile
like uluzile uwondile ngathi like makahamba uyeve saquleka shone
uyalenga
yo gosh ningi
Depending ukuthi that person is he on chronic medication or not. Nakhona is he taking well? Is he taking the medication?
bayawabalekela ama ARV abantu yazi bayawabalekela shem
but
Because
also
le
wait
pilisi
guys
eliyi-1.
but
Hayi,
also
every
wait,
day.
guys.
Every day.
Aye.
Ukhathalo.
But also guys
hayi nami shem I don't think that's how you need to
akhona
protect
Phuza nanotshwala.
Uzobona.
but also guys akhona amajita there's bakhona lamajita laba abangama fuck boys abangawundi like abangapheli
What is a
they are
fuck boy?
protecting themselves
Chop.
yonke into yadla
Chop
nje.
and pass.
yeah
Smash or
Akuna
pass.
love.
But
lapho, just
Awuna
chop.
la
Yazi ne-
mara those ones usually catch sintombazane that is actually very bad than them those ones like kube fuck boy ufike ke uketch like ufuck girl akwenze zona ke
oh hey
yeah
And show you
Akuba
flames.
buhlungu.
and show you flames it's always like that
yeah
Yeah. I think we're gonna wrap it up for now. But is there any question that you'd like to ask them before we wrap it up? Now, about ask them the very same question. Is there anything that they'd like to ask between me and Nawe or whatever?
nangifuna ukubuza asidlale special pass
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't special pass.
Yes.
Honest.
Okay.
Be honest.
Yeah.
See, we honest.
Okay.
qala bani qalani
Ladies
I've
first.
got it.
no she suggested the game so you guys are starting
yes okay each person 3 people ne
Okay.
okay qala ngobani okay do you guys know like people nje like okay okay smash or pass qala ngobani between the two
You can start by me. It's fine.
smash or pass man celiwe
Special pass.
Yo, these people. Ubathola up la bantu wena.
Akababa. Mtshela.
Nah, pass. That one is my sister. Yeah, we've got
Okay,
a
another
very
person came up.
close relationship now.
okay smash or pass pre-isa
Isa.
Very Isa.
yes
I'd smash.
okay smash or pass Shanti babe
Eish.
Special pass.
smash or pass
It's just that, like, I'm trying to like remember how she looked like, you know. Okay, I
me-
can recall like the facial
That's
expression.
what I think.
I can recall like the facial expression, but
Wait.
the body
But
is the
wait,
body.
they're showing you
The
the
body. I
picture.
can't recall the
Give you a
body.
picture.
I can't recall
But
the
then when
body.
yeah show him
I'm
But
trying to
then
like recall the body, how it looked like. Okay, show me. It's fine. Show me. Let me see.
no he's
Are you winning, ba? That's when you are running a marathon on internet, no?
Oh.
Open your phone. Guys, gonna take 20 hours to do that.
This one is a big view.
Okay.
Oh, that eats.
This is a big view.
What? You've got her numbers.
Special pass.
Smash or pass.
back view guys so he's looking at
Yeah,
Give it.
yeah.
see.
You can just like stroll like this.
I'm afraid I must. I'm afraid I gotta pass.
Why?
Why?
Well, I've got preferences, yeah, bro. So,
What are your preferences?
well, I've got the type, yeah, bro.
What's your type?
So
What's
the
your
thing is-
type?
Stop explaining.
Yes,
What's your type? Hey, what's your type?
Okay, not to say like
What's
she's
your
not
type?
my
What's
type
your type?
precise, ane? But like she's not like the cup of coffee that I would wake up.
What's
and
your cup
just
of
want to
coffee?
What's your
drink
cup
in
of coffee?
Exactly. What's your
morning.
cup of coffee?
You're running away from the question.
Yes, you-
What's your
No,
type?
like it's someone okay, like not someone who's that like dark, yabo. Like at least like even if I'm a brown or like just like light skin,
Okay.
you see.
Okay, I get
Yeah,
you.
so yeah.
I'll feel a dog.
Okay,
feel
yeah.
you, man.
Let's go to him.
Smash up hairs.
You can ask him about the very same person, or you can change. It's fine. It's all upon you.
Okay, who?
Phil. Do you know she loves Shanty?
Which one?
Which one?
The one who
Oh, the one from Soweto.
yeah.
That one is fire. That one is very bang.
Can you search her?
Oh, that one.
I'm checking.
Oh yeah. In the meantime, special pairs mainly Kutlan. That one.
You know her, right? Exactly, at least.
Ish. Smash.
I would too.
Smash.
Who else? Who else? Who else? Special pairs Celiwe.
Smash.
Hey, fasti so. Ngicabanga. Akacabanga. Smash.
Pass.
Damn. Why?
Pass.
Why?
She's darker than me.
But who wena?
Yeah.
Isn't Celiwe darker
Same goes
than
with
you?
me.
No, I prefer Celiwe is okay. Mara,
Can I
she's
see?
darker than me.
Yeah, like I don't prefer like a girl abo, who's more darker than me. Now I don't. Like I don't want.
But who? Osikhathi nama yellow bone.
She's
Like
darker.
guys niyakhanya nifuna abantu abanjani?
No, like it's like no, like it's part of like more like so okay. Type enja. Like I don't yabo. Yeah, and I can't go beyond that.
Yeah.
You see, so yeah.
Imagine.
Muhle lo mntana.
Yo.
Yeah, she loves
Smash your pairs, Pedro.
Pass.
Why?
Why?
No.
Why?
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 Why, Vel?
Why?
I don't know.
And I'll follow with the question. Don't worry. After.
Pedro is smash ke.
Smash.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Smash your past smiley for the baby.
No. Pass.
Fast. So fast.
Sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry.
Why?
Yo, hi guys, nani ke? Yo, cela ukuzifihla.
Why?
Why?
Okay, smash your past T4.
Pass. 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 And pass.
Aha.
And passy.
How Tifo Mpiaka?
Nah, ki grand. Ki shapa ka vibe.
Okay,
Guys, who's Tifo?
Tifo.
Okay. So
Oh shit.
Oh,
Drinking.
shit. Oh, she's a Oh, that one. Loba
Oh, Thobela.
She's a Thobela. What that?
No.
Oh, shit. What that? Yeah.
Shit,
Oh,
bro.
beka post
very
no
guy.
smile.
Yes.
Yeah.
No. Oh, Hlomile.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you
Smash
know
your
it.
pairs.
Pass.
Why?
I
As it's a pack.
I don't do topless niggas.
Okay.
Wana shebe
Who
shit.
else?
But
Smash your
whenever
okay.
right,
Okay, wait.
clean and everything, but I feel like sometimes like you know ama videos engiwabonayo ne
Yeah.
bahlale barasa. Oh,
Hey, nale dance
Ah,
yabo
check
nje.
out
yo.
I don't
It's a
know.
machine.
I don't know if I
Dance.
like that.
Smash your past Okozi kill.
Ukozi drip
Yeah.
pass.
Why?
Pass.
Yazi benimele ningibuza ukuthi
Ukhozi.
smash your pairs bani.
But smash your pass. ubani i-out yakhe
Shaka.
Hey, angifuni ukusho.
Ubani?
Ubani?
Hey,
Bani
baba,
lo
this is
Mjida?
my podcast.
ubani umjida
singabafaki.
ubani ushaka
I'm not there. Yeah.
Singabafaki.
ubani igama lakhe
Yeah, he's called Young Shaka.
yeah smash your pass
Maybe if it was 2 weeks ago, smash.
But now
Sweet.
time.
yini alisajoli
Child.
Yo, sekuphelile.
uzoba strong but
Child. Hi, guys. After all, computers crash. Relationships fall apart. There's nothing
Yeah,
wrong with
new,
it.
yeah.
They new to
Computers crash.
it. Yeah, they crash. They lose the
crashed.
desktop. Yeah, they lose the desktop there.
There's nothing
Then
new,
it's child.
guys.
The CPU is
There's nothing
broken.
The
new.
CPU is broken.
There's
Yeah,
nothing
it's child.
new.
There's nothing new. Yeah,
Yo, which means the RAM.
Maka and I wish him the best. He has a potential. Should just.
watch out
Abona ngayenza leyo.
Mhm.
He's going very far. Ngavula amehlo. I believe in him. Une-talent elibhayi a lot. Maka cause iyo.
Okay. Are we done with her?
yes
No, we didn't ask her.
oh we didn't
Ah,
did we
guys.
We've asked her
Nimbuzet
already.
too.
Special
Two.
person flex.
Reflex. How old is he again?
I that
I don't know
Let me keep quiet.
Asaz.
Like, I don't know, name.
okay remove his age
Reflex.
smash your pass
Age, appearance wise.
Mm.
Okay, maybe like, because clean and everything. Epson. I'm at Epson, alright, smash.
alright akho better
Yeah. But,
Okay.
angazi.
smash your pass Masilva
Yo.
Where he's done. He chowed already.
oh
No, guys.
There
Don't
was
do
a
me
video.
like that.
There was a video where you were with him like.
Okay, can I address that actually? That video where I was like, yeah, when I was Silver, what thought you?
Yeah, but ufuna kuba isithembu sakhe
No.
manje the last night.
No, let
He
me.
chopped.
No, it was content. Let me tell you that one. As in, and it was content shame. You called me, and then I was like, yeah, I see the content and stuff. Science. Now I was like, I don't know why I agreed. Like, why, Velatio? Why?
Maybe
Okay,
you love
science.
him.
No, Science. Yo, ya trend ashaya video yabantu. So manje like. I more ukuthi atshele umuntu like I told him ukuthi like I'm busy with this specific person yabo kanti yena is gonna go to the person and then it's gonna be like yeah vele udiyo wadwati mina naye angithola and then send a screenshot nana I don't know wabe sangimoshela ngabe singayeka lapho ukwenza
Is
like
your
content
type?
no
oh
hi guy respectfully so
quiet
But you guys look good together.
he was my type 2023 when I was a baby.
Yeah.
now he's not your type
Now he's
No,
not
you're
my
still
type.
your type.
No, he's not. I was a child. Shema,
Ah,
I won't even
Kinchaka,
lie.
Masilva.
We did,
Hi, Baba.
we did
You must
date.
chow, yeah, Baba.
I won't lie.
Stop
Jolile
sleeping.
Shem 2023.
Stop sleeping, Baba.
We did dates 2023. Maka now.
When and Masilva?
Yes,
You
we
guys
did.
dated?
2023. There. Tala. Khale.
Hey, Baba, you must finish the mission, Baba.
Never. It's gonna be an incomplete what.
did he chop
Ay, cela sival.
did he chop
Cela sival.
Awuchopile.
Ay, but cela sival. I didn't
chop.
say anything.
why it's impiaka
Yeah, why you eating?
Ay. Yo.
Ki Masilva halala ki hololo. Ya mazenza halala ki hololo ki chopile nhlaka wantseva.
To be like
Wantseva na.
Yo, guys, I get 2023.
Shout out to Masilva, by the way. Shout out.
Shout out.
Yeah, shout out to him.
Shout out.
Yeah, shout out to him.
Shout out.
Actually,
shout out
yeah, he's making moves. He had a song with Jima
Jima
Shiro.
Shiro.
Yeah, and yeah, which got a little bit of motion. So yeah, like he's moving.
he's trying
Yeah, he's moving. Because a lot of people are trying to get Jima Shiro, but he managed to get him on the song. Yeah, bo.
Mara yena okay let's be honest.
Masiva
Masiva
is dope.
bayamzonda ne.
He's
Mara
dope.
is
Mara
fire.
yena-
Masiva.
Yeah, no, he's dope.
Masiva
He's dope.
banamanga.
Like if you listen to his verses where he rap,
Yeah,
where
yeah,
like
yeah,
Masiva,
yeah, yeah, Masiva
yeah,
is
Masiva
ninja.
like is yeah.
Masiva
unala
yinja.
ithi subani
T4.
Yo.
You look ukuthi no, can I
T4.
actually comment on that ne? You look ukuthi T4 una fans amaningi ukudlula
Yeah, fan
uMasiva.
base.
Mara let's be
Yeah.
honest.
Yeah,
Even
yeah,
that
yeah,
time
you
alanza
know.
bafezela.
Yo.
Yeah, let's be honest. Yinja.
Amara fezela ubhlungu.
Mina
Okay, mina
Fezela.
ngicela ungacomment
Afezela ubhlungu.
Ngicela ungacomment mara for me aMasiva kintsha guys. No, not even
Fezela.
ukuthi aMasiva.
Masilva ke
Lyrically.
Fezela ke star.
Yazi bathini?
Fezela
Yazi yena
kuyama.
noma vest abahlengene bathini?
Kuyama,
Bathi lyrically
Fezela, ne?
yabajayivisa physically. Awunamanga.
You know that
Awunamanga.
breakup broke me very
When who?
much.
Mavest
That breakup
no
of
Masilva.
Mavest and
When
Masilva.
Mavest
Bari
Masilva.
lyrically yabajayivisa physically. Are those
It's like
ones?
that thing.
I'm always on
It's
the
like- it's like-
depend, bro.
When I think
Anamanga.
when I think of them, like I think of Amarot, I'm like, damn.
Exactly.
Like,
I feel like they can still.
Exactly.
I don't
things.
know. They can still fix.
They
They
must fix
can.
things.
They can. Trust me, they can. Because they're not beefing. They just separated.
yeah, they're
but
not
they're not
beefing those
beefing.
people.
They're
Those
not
people
beefing.
are,
They can still go back.
They don't speak bad about each other.
About
those
each
people.
other online or even Ibileng.
Even
Noma
Nakuma
best
live.
friends
Guys,
uza.
wait.
Even
I
Nakuma
saw
live,
it.
bayasupportana.
Wait,
Bayasupportana,
guys,
yeah.
but live. Wait.
Bayasupportana.
Guys, there's a live that I saw recently. Whereby it was, I don't know, ukuthi bebekhuluma ngani ne?
Leno fezela.
Ah,
Mina le ngiboni yena
I don't
fezela.
know.
Le impahla le.
Ya le impahla
No.
wathi Flex ugqoke impahla ka.
Aibo,
Yeah, it was a lie.
Yeah.
He's commenting on the live.
when
He's
Flex
not
umbona
saying
ukuthi
it from his
ezilama
mouth. Like nami ngayibona leyo live and ngibhala ama
Bese kwami sizokushaya.
Yabona ngiku YouTube ngistayisha manje
Flex
ngithi
away.
Bathi sekwami sizokushaya.
yeah
Ezamazidlali zizokushaya.
shy and there's a trap
Azidlali.
yo yabo yeah I don't know he said something about his gang and stuff athi ungakhulumi ngezakami sokuhlapha
Put respect on Flex name.
yes Omara is a W for that
Yeah, Mara Flex is
when he's
pushing.
not
Flex
there.
ya push.
Yeah,
he
ne?
is.
Masilva, ne?
He's a
Yeah,
W
like
for
to,
that.
yeah, like
He's
to
a
stand up
win.
for Uli
Mngani
Flex.
wabo,
Like
Maka-
Flex
that.
ya pusha mathit.
Yeah,
Flex
yeah,
pushing.
push Shem.
Flex
He is
ya
pushing.
Flex yo.
And he's doing so great, Shem.
Yeah, he's doing great for
He's
himself.
doing great for himself, Shem.
very much
Yo.
like hits Flex
Yeah,
yeah
bruh.
he's
Yeah,
pushing.
it's just that he must stop that mentality. Ghost Luby mentality. It'll be
Who,
fine.
Flex?
Maka bayuse
Yeah.
bayuse
No
cho
content. It's content Flex mina yakuthola.
Mina,
right
Shem,
He must stop that
I
goal.
feel like it's content.
Hey, Flex is
Content.
so smart.
Vele wenza
Content-wise.
yeah
Flex
he
is
is
there.
and uyakayuza and right I like it
2 minutes uzoshuta no watermelon.
yeah I'm using yo
Uyamuzwa.
ayijo mbameza izilima ze-country yo ayijo mu-right and u-right isho
No comment.
I have no comment.
cela ngiyivale please
No comment.
Cima,
Flex.
Yeah, cima,
Hayi, ngeke
yivale lapho
Evale,
yivale
Yeah?
what am I lying I'm not
you know what, babe?
if I was lying maybe I was gonna feel guilty mara ke bua nnete mos yo aisho
Yo, I'm speechless.
Ayikawufela thi Flex hayi.
yenza kuphela push a dog push
Ayaphusha le.
lezinja
Oh,
Mara watermelon.
hayi ngicela siphumeni kuloyo
uthu watermelon yini wena?
Hayi asiqeda sivaleni.
siyivaleni
Hayi, cima cameraman.
before I cima wone wait bazothi bazongenela mina kuma comment thinking I'm the wrong person for speaking about her no before you cima ne like I'm coming from somewhere like nje lamntana she's done me a lot
Were you not friends?
we were
Then?
so like since I've said something ngiyangifuna ukuthi like ihambe kanjalo because abantu bazongi-attack thinking maybe like I'm beefing with her
Yeah.
and stuff so ngifuna ukuyivala like bazi ukuthi why I'm saying
I'm not involved.
what I said don't be involved that girl she did me a lot she did me a lot she betrayed me akhuluma ngami and stuff when I was not there she was just lying about my name so yeah I don't regret what I
Imasiya
said.
smash your pass Dio or watermelon.
what
Read. Dio or watermelon. Choose one.
Let me be LT though as I sip my coffee.
that's
As you
wow.
Choose
sip your
one.
coffee.
That's wow
Choose one. See.
Cima,
choose one.
Cima lento le. Cima camera.
Cima kanjani?
Choose one. Nisayivana. Choose. Smash your pass. Who are you passing?
he's speechless
Aylina.
Who are you
As I
passing?
sip
Chief?
my coffee.
Who are you passing?
Yeah?
Who are you passing?
Okay, let me see.
Honest, be honest. Who are you passing?
Nice.
No hard feelings. Who are you passing?
To be honest, man,
no
okay,
hard feelings.
let me be honest, Annie. Yeah, I'm just gonna be honest, because this has to do with me. You see, yeah,
Exactly.
both
Do you
of
want a
them,
watermelon?
No.
You wanted your Ive.
both of them, I would say pass, bro. I don't do influencers, dog. Oh, yeah, like that's just my code. I don't do influencers. I've never dated one. That's why they've never seen me with one. So
PR training.
influencers.
PR training.
PR training.
Yo, Yivale, life for try.
Hi,
Yo.
Okay, please do like, share,
But,
comment,
guys,
and don't
please-
forget to subscribe. Yeah.
Guys, can you please follow my Instagram? It's new, ne? It's what? Dio.ivy. Mara, the O is a 0. Yeah. Dio.ivy. Thank you. Clock it.
Shout out, guys. Bye.
Clock it.
Bye.